Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you change alarm ringtone in your Vivo phone. Guys, you want to change guys your alarm ringtone in your Vivo phone. So guys, you can change it, and guys now let's see how to change alarm ringtone in our Vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to change alarm ringtone. Then guys scroll it, click on guys sound setting, and guys click on your alarm ringtone guys. So which ringtone guys you like guys, then like cat moving guys, flush up down guys, you can see this moonlight ringtone guys, new world ringtone. So example I will change it to guys moonlight ringtone. Tap here and guys come back, so you can see guys your alarm ringtone has changed into moonlight ringtone. So I hope friends you have understood how to change alarm ringtone in our Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys now we will go to the next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel my friends.